Today we're staying at the Wynn property in the nicest room we've ever stayed in. The Wynn property is beautiful. The water fountains, waterfalls, the greenery. The pools are gorgeous with great views, especially from the second level pool of the Tower Suite. The beauty continues inside and out. We love the Wynn property and the huge casino. The Wynn has the best free casino cocktails on the Strip. Today we're staying in the Tower Suite, which has its own driveway, its own entrance. A beautiful entrance. A beautiful entrance lined with koi ponds. Tower Suites also has its own check-in desk, a very unusual check-in desk that it's hard to tell which part is the check-in and which part is the Tower Suites bar. The bar is right next to check-in. The Tower Suites bar is right there when you step off the elevator. Talk about convenient. In the morning they have coffee or cocktails. And today, as a combination of being platinum and it being my birthday, I get all kinds of benefits. Being my birthday, I'll get a $100 birthday dinner credit. Being platinum, we get a bunch of free play and free rooms. And they gave us a terrific upgrade offer to the Parlor Suite. We did a review and a walkthrough of a Parlor Suite a year or so ago before the renovation. If you want to see what they used to look like, I'll drop a link right here and one in the description. Today we're on the 28th floor. We have a great view of the golf course with the mountains in the background. One of our favorite views in Vegas. Oh, and it also overlooks the swimming pools. In the entryway, you have a wet bar with a sink, a nice bucket, snacks available, a lot of glassware, In the bottom part of this cabinet, there are two refrigerators. One is a well-stocked mini bar, and the other you can stock with your own items. The second bathroom is right near the entrance. It's a small bathroom, but very nicely done. There's some new wall art where there used to be a full-length mirror. We still have the mirrored ceilings, which make the room seem even bigger than it is. There's still plenty of mirrors. The furniture has been updated. There's a lot of new decor, but I think it's interesting they finished off the room with an unfinished painting. If you don't want to use the touch controls, you can tell Alexa to turn the lights on, off, dim. open the curtains, open the shears. They leave complimentary water in the room. A giant TV set that looks even bigger with the surrounding art. There's a new bed frame on the king-size bed, a new television stand with another big TV. You've got touch controls for the drapes and the lights. Plenty of drawer space, some more interesting artwork. You still have the giant mirrors beside the bed. The bedroom also has the golf course view. They have pop-up plug-ins for all of your electronics. And some really nice dressers. Plenty of drawer space. The beds at the Wynn are very comfortable. And now, this bathroom. This bathroom is unbelievable. You got his on the left side and hers on the right side. Got a giant tub with bubble jets surrounded by beautiful marble. Her side of the room has a sink and a makeup vanity. His side of the room has a closet and a sink. Plenty of amenities beautifully arranged and displayed. Has a large shower, also surrounded by marble. Two complimentary robes to wear while you're staying there. There's a walk-in closet with some more dresser drawers. Room for suitcases. An ironing board and a wall safe. Now back in the bedroom, they have an evening turn-down service. They turn the bed down. They leave his and her slippers on each side of the bed. They leave 2 chocolates on the nightstand.